Microsoft Fabric is your one-stop shop for streamlining your ML workflow and becoming a champion. Fabric breaks down data silos, Power BI for stunning insights, Data Factory for smooth pipelines, and Python or R reigns supreme alongside libraries, all within one unified environment. That is Microsoft Synapse. No more tool juggling, just pure data science blips. That's what we call Microsoft Synapse. And you know what? The real magic lies in the Synapse Data Science. Why? Because all your words related to data wrangling will be cleaned using Data Wrangler because it shapes your data like magic, while MLflow tracks your experiments like a hawk, helping you find the winning model faster than ever. Deployment confidence is getting increased for sure if you use Microsoft Synapse because Synapse scales effortlessly on the cloud and which will let you score your data and make real world impact. Your model will reach the real world and there will be no exceptions. Now, you might be wondering why Fabric and Synapse? Because it's time to teach the data purgatory. There are certain regions which I would like to tell you for using Microsoft Synapse and Fabric. First, once it will surely boost your productivity. Say goodbye to fragmented workflows and hello to a laser-focused efficiency. Synapse take care of the drudgery, freeing you to build impactful models and extract insightful diamonds from your data. Second, it embraces the lakehouse. Store and analyze your data in its native format. No complex transformations needed. Simplicity awaits, no headaches. And third, you will become a data science maestro because forget fragmented dreams and fragmented tools and join this lightning tool to know more about the Fabric and Synapse. Now, you might be wondering how Synapse can help you. So, it will build your champion model in following ways, and it will help you to build those models more effectively. So, how it can help you? The first is the data exploration. Dive into your data with R or Python notebooks, utilizing built-in tools like Data Wrangler to wrangle and visualize, find patterns, uncover hidden gems. Second, it will help you in model training. PyTorch, TensorFlow, scikit-learn, Synapse empowers everything. It experiments with algorithms, track and compare models with MLflows, and find your champion. And the last but not least, it will help you boost your confidence while deployment. Synapse take care of your model deployment, which will help you to score your data at scale and to make real world impact. Your models goes hero to legend using Microsoft Synapse. And the model version matters. You can also track and compare different iterations, ensuring you always choose the best. You can also use MLflow Magic. It is a built-in tool which tracks your experiments like a hawk, giving you insights and control like never before. So that's what about Microsoft Synapse and Microsoft Fabric. I would really love to know more about how was your experience using this Microsoft Synapse. And that's all. Thank you so much for joining this lightning talk. And thank you so much.